Yeah. Hi everybody, it's Barbdale Judas with Beanie, and I want to show you how much better we both feel today. I know I need to fix my hair, but look at Beanie. He feels much calmer and happier, and I just wanted to make sure that you saw him feeling good. Right, Beanie? Pretty bird. We chill out together a lot, and he's afraid of the skin on my hands. He's always been afraid of it, and he was traumatized by a veterinary assistant when he was maybe about 4 or 5 months old, and he can't help it. So he prefers material to my skin on my hands and arms. So that's what you need to do with a bird if they just can't get used to your bare skin, if they've ever been traumatized by a human with their bare skin. I mean, it works, and he's happy, and that's what counts. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and that'll help me take care of Beanie. And I also have a dream of helping birds someday. That would be really awesome. I'd like to get in the network of people that want to help birds. And oh, you're so cute. He's just too cute. Look at him. He's very cute and happy. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.